Okay, now back to the phone cam. All parked here already. Nicely. Gantung my jacket. Got a sign. Jabo in love. Yes, this is one of the entrance where you can go in. There is the areas where you can sit outside, and of course you got all the stickers. Let me show you all the stickers of the people who are here. Then got lots of parking spaces lah around here. So, and then it's right beside. You can see I'm right at the edge. It's right at the edge of the mountainside. Just walk inside. I don't know whether I must take out shoe or not. Go inside and see what's there to eat, get a drink. Not too sure what's this in Thai. I need to order some food. Oh, shoe. Forgot my take out shoe. Shoes. Okay. Shoes at the corner. And now, let's go. Let's take out shoes, guys, before you come inside here. And later, go buy some food, man. See the view from over here. It's super steep. There's a way to go down so you can sit downstairs, I guess. There's the view from up here. I'll go get me some noodles, some drinks, and take a seat somewhere around the area. This part, the bamboo or whatever it is, this wood, and the place to pay. Down here also, and this corner here also can sit. Nice corner to sit down and relax. And it's also downstairs, but it's pretty hot downstairs. So I'll go get something to eat first, some drinks, then we will move on from here after our lunch. Okay, so we'll take the corner spot, sit down and relax down here at the edge of the I think got all the noodles also. All the people are taking pictures. Right, gonna go enjoy the food. You can see the view from here. You can have a seat right at the edge. We just had our food already, so I'm just chilling out. Gonna get one more drink, then we will head off to the next stop, which is another viewpoint. Then we're heading to Pai. Right, so for now, let's enjoy the view. Then of course our mandatory sticker. So when you come here, don't forget to check this out when you're here. And just check out sticker, man. Right over here. The entrance you cannot even put properly, but never mind. Hopefully it will last. I'm sure I moved there a bit, but never mind lah. So all the stick everywhere. And there we go. Sticker here at Ban Jabo Noodle House. So let's get back on the road to the next viewpoint. One last look at Ban Jabo Noodle House. Actually, the entrance was over here. Just now we came from the side. Behind also got one toilet. Then, of course, one last view of the haze all over the place. No choice lah. Still enjoyed the food and the view. And 360 is on. Start the recording. Alright. Oh, I forgot I parked at this weird spot here. If I can just get my side stand out of the way. Okay, next stop is Doi Keolom viewpoint. So many viewpoints, but hold on, let me just change my odometer. Alright, let's move. Got to make a U-turn out of this weird slope area. See, got a nice spot to take pictures of the cramp. Alright, wait, let me just stretch a bit. Alright, back on the road. Down here also can stop lah. Go take all this 1864 pictures. Okay, this one is quite a bit away, about 31 kilometers. Let me get my visor down. Now you can see this part now is the super uphill. High chance got to go in gear 1 lah. You go in slow because road conditions not so good. Okay lah, nice food at this Ban Jabo. All the pothole semua to avoid. Would have been nice to have the view lah. Sorry lah, this one very bumpy. That's why you can hear my voice also. You see. Let me just clear this one before I start talking. Okay. So nice food over there. We have a view which cannot really see due to the haze. Definitely a good spot to stop along the way as you do your Mae Hong Son loop. Let's get a bit of lunch. Now it's 2:30. Hoping to catch up some time this time, and not every time arrive super late at the destination. Not really super late lah, but by the time every time you reach it's like evening, you know. But it's okay. Pai is you're gonna spend one whole day there. Then the next day, because it's a long ride up to Chiang Rai, completing the Mae Hong Son loop to Chiang Mai, then heading up to Chiang Rai from there. There's of course the shorter way lah, from the west of Chiang Rai, as in just it cuts through, but never been there before and never tried the route before, so not too sure about the petrol and stuff lah. So I think that's why we have made the route through Chiang Mai back, and then go up from Chiang Mai to Chiang Rai by the highway. Just about extra kilometers for that one, but better to be safe than sorry lah, because anyway the main road should be better condition. That's one, and two, of course petrol stops also higher chance to find PTTs, which is a better quality petrol also, it seems. Alright, so soon gonna cut into the main route of Mae Hong Son, and then I will cut to the 360 cam. See my windscreen on. You can see how much the suspension is absorbing, man, of these gravel roads. Not really gravel lah, but rough roads. It's all downhill like this. And then all the way down the neutral. See how fast it's just picking up without even throttle. So a little be careful coming with small bikes and stuff. So when we are arriving into the next viewpoint, gonna go take some pictures, head on to Pai. Alright, here we are, Pang Ma Fa. So when we're reaching there, I'll be back on the commentary, the helmet cam. For now, just enjoy the ride.